Feel like your pain echoes in empty rooms. Like your screams for help hit cold, dead walls. They carry burdens heavier than stone, those who suffer. Their nights are long, torn by whispers of doubt. Their hands tremble, clutching at fading hope. They walk through crowds, unseen, unheard, forgot. But in that silence, a fire is forged. A truth cuts deeper than any wound. The quieter they go, the further they will get. Their steps become shadows, unseen but unstoppable. Their struggle, a blade honed by solitude. Their victory, carved in the stillness of resolve. That silence isn't weakness, it's the warrior's armor. It shields them from pity, from distraction, from noise. It guides them through storms others cannot endure. Stay sovereign.